Once you have launched all of your campaigns across Meta, Google, TikTok, Spotify ads, and whatever else you want to launch, how do you decide where your budget should go? In this video, we're actually gonna cover that question specifically. We'll show you how we use Plai to basically optimize our budget and let it move our money for us. Hey everyone and welcome back. Last week you might remember that we used Plai to build out a full creative system for our matcha brand. Today I want to show you what happens after that. So once we got all of our campaigns running on TikTok, LinkedIn, how do you actually decide who deserves the best budget? Instead of guessing, what we're gonna do is drop everything into one optimization folder and let Plai move the money for us automatically. Okay, so here is the problem. Most usually you launch kind of a search campaign over here in Google, maybe some couple of ad sets in Meta, maybe even you start launching a campaign on LinkedIn or even TikTok ads in there, and after 3 days results are all over the place and you actually don't know if you should be moving money around, if the results you're getting are actually good or not, or if you will simply be affecting your campaign negatively. Optimization folders are basically built to remove that manual budget Tetris. You'll find them here on the Advertise tab on this area. And this is basically how it works. Optimization folders are basically a cross-platform budgeting brain, where you basically tell Plai, hey, these are all the campaigns that I want to optimize, and these are the goals for each of these. By default, it will have its own automatic goal set, which is comprised of a diverse array of metrics and KPIs to make sure that your campaign is properly optimized based on the data that we have collected. But if you want, you can actually update it to your own KPIs, so you can target the cost per conversion, the cost per click, or whatever. And after you have done so, you can simply tap on here to turn on the optimization. Since this campaign is already optimizing, it's where you'll also find the button to turn it off. Every 3 days, Plai will check the performance and make budget optimizations based on that, regardless of if your campaign is on LinkedIn, on Meta, on TikTok, or wherever else. Let's check how this worked for our brand on this specific test. We can go to the Change History tab to check how the budget has been increased or decreased across the different campaigns. So you can see the Google, the Facebook, and the different sort of campaigns. So we have a Facebook multi-ad set and a Facebook retargeting campaign, and we can see the different dates where the budget has been modified. We can see right away that this multi-ad set Facebook campaign has been a clear winner over here, and that the Google campaign didn't do as well as it. On this top section, you'll find the optimization timeline to find out where you're at currently in the optimization process. You'll also be able to customize your optimization schedule, and you'll find on the top left a tutorial for you and your clients, of course. If you want to try it out, pick a client who has at least 3 campaigns running and create a new folder over here. Once you have it, select at least 3 campaigns to move into the folder. Just select it from the dropdown and then start optimizing the campaign. All you need to do is tap on Turn on Optimization, and this will automatically start collecting data from your campaigns. At first, no data will be available because of course the campaign have not yet gone through the optimization process, but after 3 days you will be able to see the first results. And I do recommend letting it run for at least 2 or 3 optimization processes, meaning 6 to 9 days before pausing the optimization. To sum up, these optimization folders are basically how you can go from I think that this might be working into a clear cross-platform budgeting strategy that runs on autopilot. And of course, if you like seeing this sort of AI ad workflows or feature spotlights, like and comment the video so that we can actually know what you prefer to watch on this channel. And remember that you can reach out to get support at plai.app for any questions you might have about the platform, how it's used, or even if you want to schedule a quick demo. Happy advertising, and I'll see you in the next one.